welcome back. So today is going to be a vlog, and while it's going to be a little vlog for you, it's actually going to be about 4 or 5 days long. I am driving down to Portland to look at work and apartments and just kind of explore the area to see if it's somewhere I can live for the next few years and like see myself growing both professionally and like personally. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. It's about 1 p.m. I had work until 11:30, cleaned the house, put Cora with my friend so she can watch her, loaded the car, finished packing. Anyways, way off track. Welcome to the vlog. Okay, so I got a chai latte, and one of the baristas once recommended that I get it with soy just because it tastes better. Pretty good. And then I like to add a pump of cinnamon dulce because honestly it's not spicy. That's spicy. Hey, so it is the next day. Last night, after a 6-hour drive by myself, I was pretty fine. And don't get me wrong, Mother Nature is around the corner, but something inside of me was just not happy. I'm not thrilled with my hotel. I've like traveled alone by myself before, but like this is in regards to like me being a real adult when I graduate, and it was just, I was very overwhelmed last night, and pretty much nothing was open because of COVID. So I got Taco Bell, which is cool, I guess. I don't love Taco Bell, so I was like, okay. And this morning I got Denny's because it's the only thing I knew nearby. It's like 0.3 miles away from my hotel. So it's been a chill morning, just got off work. I'm going to go ahead and do some homework and check out the gym at the hotel and see if it's manageable. And if it is, I will do a workout before I go to my apartment showing today. I only have one, and then I'm gonna go to a park near that apartment and just kind of see what the outdoor spots are like in that neighborhood. And then I'm thinking, because I don't have class until 3 this afternoon, I might drive over to Vancouver. I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. I like the fact that Washington has no income tax. I'm used to the way Washington works because of these last 4 years. So we'll see. Okay, I just got back in my car. I saw this park on my way to these apartments. So after I saw, oh my god, the dog's so tiny. And so when I was done looking at the apartments, I turned around and I came back, and there's like no roads through the park. You have to street park and then take a pathway into the park. So I'm driving through the streets. These are some bougie ass people that live in this neighborhood, okay? And I videoed my mom showing her the houses. I was like, hey, I gotta go, I'm gonna walk around the park. And then I stumbled upon a lake. Like, what? And it was so beautiful. And then it started raining really hard. And then as I was crossing the street, slipping in mud, trying to get to my car, it started hailing. Like, what? Very expressive eyebrows. All right, I'll update you guys later. I think I'm gonna go see a friend. I'm not sure yet. Otherwise, I might drive over to Vancouver. I really like the neighborhood I'm in, but oh my goodness gracious. But I don't know, it's 12 o'clock. I have class at 3, and I can be like virtual class on my phone while I'm driving around. So, and then I don't have anything planned until 7, but I would like to get some homework done. So I have plenty of time. I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm winging it. I'm not very good at this. Alright, so today is the 3rd day I'm here. It is about 9:15 a.m. and I have an appointment at 9:30, so I need to leave. I'm gonna see if I can, get some clips of the apartments, but with COVID and just overall restrictions in general, I want to respect whoever I'm working with. So I will try to get y'all some images of what I'm looking at and what's available in Portland. It's a big city, so you don't get a lot for your money. And I have to look at things that are pet friendly, of course, because I have a German Shepherd. So I'll go ahead and take you guys along as best as I can today. Last night, I don't think I showed you guys, but I got all dressed up. I went out with a friend for dinner, and then we went to a bar with their friend until about 11 p.m. It was a pretty early night for going out, but Portland and the way they're handling COVID, pretty much everything, even on a Friday night, closed pretty early. So it's just good to see what I'm possibly diving into. Okay, so I just got me some lunch. Here's what I got. I haven't even looked at it yet. Smells amazing. I got a poke bowl. My friend recommended that I go to this place called Hawthorne, I forget. I'll put it right here. But it's basically like this little food cart place, and it's pet friendly, and there's like lots of outdoor covered seating. And it's super cute, lots of variety of food. I just chose to go seafood. Okay, really quick, I know this is weird. I'm in the bathroom at a new complex, but she's so nice, like the real estate lady. And she was like, can I get you some water? I was like, no, I'm okay, thanks. She's like, can I just do in some wine? I was like, why did I just put gum in my mouth? Okay, so it is 2021 and someone TP'd the crap out of this house. And I honestly so surprised that people still do that. I mean, like, it's a good throwback. Like, the mom came out, she was like, you want to see what it looks like when someone TP's your house? Dang teenagers. I was like, how cute. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and get some real food. Sorry, I was biting on my lip and I shouldn't have been, but here we are. So we went to, just a little shout out, we went to Barista, which is a coffee place. I met up with another girl that graduated from WSU and that lives out here. I met up with her and her roommate and we went to Barista. I didn't love the chai latte, but they got London Fogs and they loved them. But I'm also like a weird tea person, so don't worry about it. And then I went to this place right behind me called Canteen, which is in like the next district, like suburb over. And I got this green smoothie, kale, ginger, apple, lemon, you know, all the good stuff that tastes clean. And I'm going to go ahead and get some real food. I have no idea where to go for real food. I will figure it out and let you know. But I'm really happy that I got to see everyone I needed to see. So my sister's friend, my old classmate, my actual friends the other night for dinner and drinks. Portland is looking like a really good contender for where I'm going to be going after graduation. I have a few clips from when I went to Chicago at the beginning of January, but I was so focused on being in the moment with my friends and their friends, and trying to get a feel for the city, that I didn't vlog too much, hence why there was no Chicago vlog. But if you guys do want to see that footage, let me know and I'll see you soon.